Hello everyone! In today's video I would like to share with you my second crazy day of trading Forex, so let's dive in. Okay, so this is the most excruciating trade I have ever taken. I know I only took two, and that's the second one, but it's very painful to watch. If you see, from this is where I enter my short position. From here until now, it's been already over 6 hours of me watching at this and seeing, oh, losing money. Oh, look at this, making some money. No, losing again. No, making again. And I have to be honest, around here I was thinking I should just close this trade, because entering this trade, it wasn't properly, like already discussed before, and the market's been acting today like crazy, which keep moving the dollar up and down non-stop. Like you see, it's just going down, up, and watching at this. But I said, okay, I entered this trade, I'm gonna let it go, because not end of the month, but I'm probably gonna do every 30-day my log and see how many wins I get, how many losses I get. So then actually I can analyze and see, am I being profitable end of the month? Is my strategy work? Because if I'm gonna be changing my strategy every day, eventually I cannot do thought out well decision with the data I'm gonna receive through my spreadsheet that I'm gonna be filling out. So if it's gonna be a loser, which is look like, if you see it's keep coming up, if it will be, I just have to deal with it, right? But it's just part of this learning curve. And while I was watching this, and even though I told myself somewhere around here, I said, okay, the market today is irrational. I should not be getting into any more trades. But you know, as a trader, you keep looking and you keep trying to find, is there another opportunity? Is there another potential? So I entered a long position, which is on Australian and US dollars. So after I saw this pullback candle and I was looking that the trend looks like be going up, and while we're talking, it's not going too up, but overall, so I set a buying order just above this candle. And when I saw this, I was already kind of late to the party, because this green candle, it was all the way here. But I said, hey, I'm just gonna put it here and see if it retracts to trigger my order, like we see it did when pulled back, triggered my order, and hopefully now it will be continue going up. So the one thing that it's better not to do when you looking at the currency. So let's say if I'm looking to go long on US dollar against, doesn't matter what, let's say how the one I went, US GBP. So if you think that US dollar gonna be strong and you entering buying US versus GBP, you don't want to be going selling US versus Australian dollar, because you contradict yourself, right? You're saying that, okay, if I'm buying US here, but here I'm selling, so one of these ones gonna be right, one of those gonna be wrong for sure, and then you end up, maybe one will be winner, the other loser, you end up with a zero, so you didn't do anything. But here, that's what I did, because I'm already, from what I see, my GBP USD, it looks like it's gonna be a loss, and it's keep going up in this way. So now I entered long Australian, bought Australian, shorted USD, and yeah, I'm hoping that maybe the other trade will die, and this trade hopefully gonna bring me some money back. But hey, I'm still learning. And yeah, let me know, have you been doing these kind of mistakes? Have you been just entering, and how did you deal with it? Did you let your trade just run, or would you jump out of it in the middle? Sometimes I think it's a good decision if you know that it's a losing trade, probably better just get out of it. Me, I'm just trying to kind of analyze at the end of the month and see from all the trades I did were good or bad. So I'm kind of gonna let it run and see where it gets, even though then from the GBP USD I should have jumped out. And I was thinking to jump out, and I was thinking in this area, and then I said I'm gonna let it go, but in this area I was pretty sure that I should jump out. But hey, I'll stick to it and see where it leads. So give me another 6 hours and I'll update you on then what's happening next, because this is just terrible. I cannot take it. Yeah, so I'm coming back with the update shortly. Okay, so this trade appeared to be way longer than I was expecting. If you can see, I entered here, and then it went on and on and on and on and on. At this point, I was like, I'm not watching this, I'm going to bed. So what happened after this point? If you see here, this was my stop loss, and at the bottom somewhere my profit. So that's what happened. It went up, it touched my stop loss right before it all went down, and could have hit my profit and much more. So this is very frustrating to wake up to this and see this trade that I was believing in sort of and not believing in and hoping, but just by a little bit, Yeah, that's what happened. And as you see, I also entered another trade with Australian dollar USD. Also didn't went good, -$8 here, -8 in here. So total, I lost $26 in yesterday's day. Again, this is brand new day. I just woke up to this amazing news because didn't want to watch this trade anymore and stay awake because of that. So overall, right now, I'm at $1,181. So just yesterday, day before yesterday, I made 10. Now I lost 28, or it's 26. Well, that's how it is. But I'm gonna be searching right now for new entries and see where I can take this, and maybe can recoup some of my money. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you posted. So what have we learned in our second day of trading? What I learned is that Forex sucks. No, I'm just joking. It's awesome. I still like it. But what I have learned, it's not to trade based on my emotions, based on my thoughts that, oh, I'm thinking it's probably should go down. You have to trade based on if there's a signal that's showing you that it's supposed to go down, just go with the signal. Do your technical analysis. If you know, if you don't know, try to learn. I am still learning. So if you have any thoughts on ideas, I'd love to hear it and implement those ideas. Yeah, so pretty much feelings is not part of trading. I'm sure that I'm still gonna be doing those mistakes, because by the time I'm gonna learn how not trade based on my feelings, it's probably gonna be a learning curve, and it will take time, but I'm eager to learn. I'm really enjoy sharing my journey with you. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep posting you with my wins and my losers. Hopefully the winner is gonna be more, but we'll see. So stick around and see you in the next video.